Hi there, thank you so much for joining me on this short video to demonstrate how to set up your room for a proctored exam and the proctoring process. A few important things to keep in mind when choosing your testing environment is to ensure that you are not going to be disrupted during your exam, you have good lighting, and that you are comfortable in your space. If your room has a few TV monitors or laptops, or you have a few personal items around the room. For your exam, your proctor is required to look around your exam space. Hence, the important point is to have blank walls. Clear your space by removing as many items as you possibly can, and you can cover up heavy items that you cannot move with a piece of sheet. Once you are set up for the exam day, other few adjustments to keep in mind are where you are going to place the approved reference materials. Your phone should be at least 3 meters away from you, and your camera angle on the webcam should capture the top frame of your body, that is your shoulder up. This now constitutes an approved testing environment meeting all guidelines from proctoring platforms like Lockdown Browser, Pearson VUE, ProctorU, ETS, just to mention a few. Next, we will talk quickly about the exam day preparation and check-in process. So on the exam day, please connect at least 20 minutes early by browsing the relevant exam provider and completing all the exam day check-in requirements and procedures. Now keep in mind that for room scan, they will want to check underneath your desk and see that you place your phone far away from the exam table to ensure your room meets all the requirements. After that, we will go ahead and review all the rules and guidelines from the Proctor company. Especially ensure that you download and install the Lockdown Browser in a proper way before connecting with your proctor so you can be ready for them on time before your exam. After that, use your credentials to log into the exam system, then wait to be directed to your exam page, and you will be able to start your exams. That's it, guys. If you have additional questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. You can also check out the entire checking process on our website at ProctorTutors.com. For more information on other services such as cheating proctored exam like Pearson VUE, Proctor or Lockdown Browser, or exams like CompTIA security exams, Prince 2 exams, and any other proctored exam, reach out to me via WhatsApp in the pinned number or email me. See you in the next one.